successo? Che cos'è successo? Che cos'è successo? Relax,
No.
relax.
No.
È il passo. No. What's happening?
What's wrong? Is everything okay? Are you okay?
Call the ambulance.
Yes,
Please,
okay.
fast.
We need help.
Legs,
Legs.
Oh.
No, be careful, be careful. No, we don't know what to do. He can't walk anymore. Come.
Oh my.
Come, we need help. Come.
Oh, we have to do something now. Yes. Maybe I can search how to help her. on
Search
internet.
Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Be careful.
Yes. Here there is Wi-Fi. So we have to raise the leg. Okay. And now we have to bandage her leg. Yes, you can use this.
I'm sorry, but I have
And pull tight. Yeah. Okay. And put on the elastic band to stop the blood flowing. Okay. Now we have to wait the ambulance, but you are safe.
What's happening?
She hurt her leg.
Okay.